how to transfer money from Wells Fargo to Chime. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just open up your Chime account and then you will be able to find the option of move money at the bottom. Just simply click on it, and after that click on the option of transfer from other banks. After that it will ask you to link your account, and for that just simply click on the option of link account at the bottom, and there you will be able to find the option of Wells Fargo. Just simply select it. In case if you are not able to find it, just simply search for Wells Fargo. After that you will be able to find it, and when you click on it, it will ask you to provide your credentials to log into your Wells Fargo account. Just simply provide your credentials to log into your account, and then it will ask you to verify your identity. Just select any appropriate option in order to verify your identity, and after that just simply click on continue. And this way you would be able to link your Wells Fargo account to your Chime account, and it might also ask you to agree with its terms and conditions. Just accept the terms and conditions and click on continue. Now you need to select the Wells Fargo as the sender and Chime as the recipient, and then just simply type the amount that you want to transfer from Wells Fargo to Chime. Type the amount and click on transfer, and just confirm the transfer, and this way you would be able to transfer from Wells Fargo to Chime, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.